Really?
It's dead too, so.
Wow.
It wasn't quite dead at the roots, man, but it's enough wetness in there for it to maybe sit blister up.
Yeah, no kidding.
Be careful, this.
Yeah, we're gonna get some prices, man. Somebody come out and take them away. Pay us to take them away.
We'll do it for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't tear your yard up. We don't use Excavator. We don't use Bobcats.
We're out the side lot anyway, so that's okay. Yeah, they can do it.
We're happy to do it.
Yep.
I was in license with my girlfriend. We were on insurance and stuff, but we split up. So we work out, so I got to go get my own license stuff. But I got coverage on insurance right now, so I'm license right now.
Okay.
I climbed my contract climb, go around the United States.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Only not so long. I go to the hospital last night. Coming back to the gym this time. I don't know if the gym.
Oh no. That sucks.
My bones.
Sorry to hear about that.
Yeah, that's right. I got it.
Gotta stay healthy, man.
Yes, sir.
I got something for you. After he knocks his tree down, huh?
Now you'll hear pop great roots.
Yeah.